Bacteria in a certain culture increase at a rate proportional to the number present. If the number of bacteria doubles in 5 hours, in how many hours will the number of bacteria tripled? Well, we're dealing with exponential stuff. So here is a nice exponential equation. We'll do n for number. That's going to equal the initial value times e to the kt. Now, I don't know the initial value. No clue. So I'm going to leave that like that. Okay, but what I do know is that it's going to be 5 years, and it doubles. So whatever n sub 0 is going to be 2 n sub 0. Divide both sides by n sub 0, like that, and 2 is going to equal e to the 5k. Now, in order to solve for k, we're going to ln both sides, and that allows that e to go away and drops the 5k down. So we have ln of 2 equals 5k. Divide by 5, divide by 5, and I looked at this ahead of time. You are going to get a number, but you know what? I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to leave it like that because they don't want us to change things around, so I'm going to leave it like that. K is ln of 2 over 5. Now that we have that information, we have K, I care about what's going to happen when the bacteria triples. So I'm going to create a very similar equation that I have over here. And I'm going to do 3 n sub 0 equals n sub 0 e to the 5 times ln of 2 over 5. And you know what? I want how many hours, so I don't know t. So let's get rid of that 5. Silly me, wasn't thinking there. Let's get rid of that 5 and make you a t like so. And you're going to be over 5. All right, much better. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to divide both sides by n sub 0, divide both sides by n sub 0. That crosses out. 3 is equal to e to the ln of 2 over 5t. If I ln both sides, that crosses out, and I am left with ln of 3 equals ln of 2 divided by 5t. In order to get t all by itself, let's multiply the reciprocal. So multiply both sides by 5 over ln of 2. Multiply this guy by 5 over ln of 2. And you end up with 5 ln of 3 over ln of 2. Wild stuff. Wacky, wild, terrible stuff.